Hey guys, this is just a informal update on the OPI Repair Mode nail serum. I would say do yourself a favor and only get this if you're really just desperately trying to try it out. Look, I don't have any regrets with purchasing this product, and I have actually gone into my 5th week of trying this out. I did do it for 2 weeks straight, where I used this product twice a day, every day for 14 days. It didn't really make my nails harder, although it sort of made them feel more mattified, and maybe out of 100%, I would say 99% it didn't work, leaving 1% of it touch a little bit firmer. Look, it was good to try. Like I said, I don't have regrets I don't have any regrets with buying this serum at all. But the only thing is that I just felt like it could have been better. The true result in my nails getting harder, and they're still very soft, mind you, they are still eggshell nails. I'm keeping them short. They really are just still in a terrible state. They're getting better, and the reason I think that they're getting better is because I'm keeping them short by cutting them every week. So every week I will just get my nail clipper and I will trim them down. I'm not even going in with a nail file, because even nail filing is just damaging my nails. So yeah, just keep your nails short, guys. That's my best suggestion. Maybe try some other nail hardeners besides this one. Sally Hansen or OPI do have just normal hardness for your nails that would work better than this, and also just plain old nail polish in terms of keeping your nails harder. But by all means, I wouldn't go ahead and purchase this, because it doesn't really do much. It just gives you the feeling of it being firmer, but the next day your nails are just pretty much, you know, still soft. It doesn't do anything to make the appearance of your nails feel even like they're repairing. Like if you were to see my nails up close, there's still some heavy sort of cracks and ridges on there. And yeah, I just a little bit disappointed, but like I said, I don't know, I don't have the regrets in buying this. I wanted to spend $42 just to see what the result would be, and I will continue to use this up because I paid that much money for it. I'm gonna use it up. In fact, I think I've almost completed the bottle. I've only probably got about like that much left. You can't really see because it's a black bottle, which I really wish that they didn't have a black opaque bottle with this, because it's like, I want to know how much I've used up. And it's like a paint thinner when it comes out. So yeah, there's that. But guys, in a nutshell, I wouldn't waste my money on this. And the pictures that they put on this here is really quite deceiving. This is Bloom in the background here, my beautiful girl. She's just having a nice little nap. I've come home from work just to film this little update because I said that I would, and I've been a little bit preoccupied trying to fit this update in. So any questions, please feel free to pop them in the description box below. But that's my update, and the true winner in this whole thing is keeping my nails short by getting them cut. So yeah, she's giving herself a little clean now. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Bye for now.